So welcome back to the Whitehouse farm. Today we're going to be working on, I think it's an aquawood pool. It's one of the older pools with the wooden posts. And what happens here in the Northeast, you get these winters where you have warm days and then you have your freezing, and this will go on through the winter. And what happened here is the end of the pool here must have sunk down, and in doing so it pulled the liner out. As you can see over here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get in the pool. We're gonna remove the liner from the side and we're gonna dig this out. We're gonna get some blocks in here. We're gonna jack it back up and get it back to level. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the pool and start pulling back the liner. No, yeah.
That's bad.
Alright, so right now, this is the one upright, and the other upright there, we're going to have to jack up the outside to get this up to level, and then we'll level it, and then we'll go ahead and get it back in the track here. But you can see, you have to dig out all the way up to here. It's in the track here, and this is your low spot. This is where everything's sunk down. I'll have to put some more bricks in here, get it up to level. So, alright. Alright, and you could use a flathead to go ahead and get all the sand out of the track here. And that'll pull the sand out. It's a quick, easy way. This here just shows you a good idea of how much the pool actually sunk and how far out of level it was. So this is a pretty good view to check that out. So we'll have to jack it up and then get the blocks under and then recheck the level. Okay, so now we're setting up the laser level and we're going to level it. Alright, so that's our setting on this for when we're on here. And you can see, we'll see what the difference is. So we went from 2 foot 6 inches to 2 foot 9, so it's 3 inches it has to come up. So we got to bring each one of those posts up 3 inches. Alright, so we're going to place this right here. Alright, so grab my nail gun. Alright, go ahead and put one nail right in the center. Yeah. Yep. Alright, so we got this side jacked up. We're within an inch right now, but I want to go ahead and get another jack and set up on this one and then go ahead and get them up together. That way I got the 2 jacks supporting the weight, pulling it up. I mean, it's not too heavy, but it's just good to have for support. Slowly jack that up.
Okay.
we got it up to where we want it on level. So level on that post. And you can see we'll be able to put two. I gotta dig that brick out because it's like this. It's gotta be flat. And then this over here. So that's right on. Might have to use 2.5 block on each one. All right, so we got this block leveled now, and the walls level. We just have to get this up, so that get this block in here, and it'll fit perfect, and level it right out. You need a rake?
Yeah.
You filming it? Pull it right.
Low battery.
Yeah, pull it up. All right. Okay, so now we're starting to get the cove with the sand, and we're just going to work our way around. We got to fill this area a little bit more, then tamp it down, and then let's go ahead and fix this. About 20 more of them. All right, so we're having to shovel the sand into 5-gallon buckets to dump it in. All right, so I'm gonna finish pushing the sand, making a cove, then I'm gonna smooth all this out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the bottom liner back through, and then start hooking this back up, and then only thing we'll have to do after this, just tamp it, do our cove, and then fill in the outside and tamp that down, and we should be all set. Hopefully we should start putting water back in. All right. Okay, so we'll tamp this down. And then we'll do the coat here. Hold this up, dude. Lift it up and down there. Lift it up down there. It's gonna have to stay under that lift though, because that's where it's gonna. Alright, let's go ahead and start attaching the liner. Alright, so we got everything all back together. Got the liner in. And we're actually using a couple washers to help pinch this down to hold the liner in this section. And we're starting to fill up, and we're hoping that it's going to hold the water. And then once the water gets high enough, we're going to backfill through here, tamp it down. There's a happy dog. And then we should be all set. So I hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.